Hey guys, welcome back to Explore Electronics Plus. Here is your roadmap to a successful career in VLSI. This step-by-step guide give you the clear-cut idea how actually you can get into VLSI industry. The very first thing is be strong in digital design, VLSI basics, computer architecture, and the tools which you are going to use in VLSI. To begin your journey in VLSI, the foundation is crucial. Focus on mastering digital design principles, basics of VLSI, and computer architecture. Learn about the concepts like logic gates and flip-flops, FSMs, memory systems like that. Don't stop there. You also need Verilog, VHDL, and System Verilog if you are in front end of VLSI. And also familiarize with the tools of EDA tools like Cadence, Synopsys, Mentor Graphics. These tools are available in college labs itself. Remember, a solid understanding of these topics will give you confidence to tackle real-world challenges in your job. The second thing is you have to take up VLSI in academic projects. Many students don't take this seriously. They do projects irrespective of their domain. So please take up VLSI projects in your academics if you want to be in VLSI domain. Academic projects are your playground for learning. Choose projects that involve VLSI concepts like design of ALU, memory blocks, simple processors, and also which the concepts involve some protocols implementation like that. You have to be familiarized with the end-to-end VLSI design flow and FPGA flows. This hands-on experience not only strengthens your skills but also demonstrates your interest and dedication when you are presenting your work during interviews. If you don't know which are all the VLSI domains and related projects, please visit this video which is there in my channel VLSI Job Domains. And the very next thing you can do is use online tools and websites for learning. Today knowledge is just a click away. Utilize the platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and other comprehensive VLSI courses available in the internet. Explore YouTube channels dedicated to VLSI, and don't forget about free resources like NPTEL. There are very good resources and the courses given by NPTEL to master your VLSI skills. Also, you can try simulators online, like EDA Playground is available easily for the simulations, and you can go with some online FPGA development tools as well. Self-learning give you an edge in understanding the complex topics. The very next thing is you need to pursue internships and training in VLSI. Practical exposure is invaluable in VLSI. Pursue internships and training programs to work on the real-world problems. Why? Because a fresher and a trained fresher are completely different in VLSI. If you want to step into VLSI job, if you are a trained fresher, you will be getting more opportunities. Seek opportunities at semiconductor companies or VLSI startups. You don't know which are all the companies working on VLSI. Here is the video on semiconductor companies and which are all the major contributors in India. Go through that video to know more about VLSI companies. And internships in VLSI companies help you to build a portfolio and allow you to apply theoretical knowledge in practical scenarios, making you industry ready. This is very, very important step. And the next step is start networking. Many of the students neglect creating a LinkedIn profile. Please create a LinkedIn profile today and be active in LinkedIn. Networking can open doors to many opportunities you don't know they are existed. Attend VLSI conferences, workshops, meetups. Join LinkedIn groups. There are many Telegram groups as well for freshers. There are many people to help you. Participate in online forums and connect with industry professionals as well. So don't hesitate to reach out for advice, mentorship, or referrals. The next thing is get ready to be in a startup. If you get an opportunity for an entry level in startup, please be ready to go into that. Be open to starting small. Entry level roles or positions in startup might not be glorious, but they provide valuable experience and exposure. Startups in particular allow you to work in diverse tasks and learn at a fast pace. You can learn many things and the dimensions of VLSI in a startup. Build your expertise step by step and big opportunities will follow you. And the very next thing you can do is consider higher study. If you want to get more exposure into industry, please get into higher studies in a very good institute. If you aim to be specialized further or get into research, higher studies can be a great option. Consider pursuing your master's degree, then you can do also PhD and do research in your VLSI domain. Many universities have collaborations with the top semiconductor companies also. They will offer internships and research opportunities that can propel your career to a newer heights. These are the 7 steps you can follow to set your career in VLSI. Please subscribe to the channel for more career tips and also share this roadmap with aspiring VLSI professionals. Thank you.